Right, there's a couple of little repairs I've done to the front here. I've replaced a little bit of glue here, a little bit of wood here on the front, replaced that bit there, and I've replaced this bit here on the side. It's got to be cut to size, and I've replaced this little bit on the bottom here where it's painted brown, and I've managed to find this piece that came off from somewhere and fit that in there, and that's quite a good fit, I think. And right, we're now in the hallway, and this is the main case of the record player. As you can see, that's where the mains plug and everything goes to the end of the amplifier, and that's the front. This has all been sanded down, hasn't been treated yet. I have actually ordered, and I'm waiting for it coming. I have actually ordered some veneer, so I'm going to re-veneer the case, and I've ordered some nice brass fittings to replace the ones that were on there, which were to say the least a bit naff. They were just all past it, so I've ordered all new bits. I've got the inside of the case to clean. I've got the motor board to give a quick rub down and spruce that up a bit. I'm not gonna do much with that. I'm just gonna give that a coat of. I've got some varnish spray coming, and once it's all veneered and looking good, I'm gonna spray varnish it. I'm not gonna brush varnish it because I think it'll look like shit. So I'm gonna spray varnish it. Anyway, folks, that's the latest update on the Clarke & Smith record player. Thank you very much for watching, and next time I film, I expect to have the cabinet completed. Maybe not all the hardware, but I might not have all the fixtures on, like hinges and clasps and stuff, catches, but I will have the veneer on. So that'll give you a good idea, and we'll also have the Clarke & Smith plate back on, which the Clarke & Smith plate went right in the middle here on the cabinet. There's the two holes there where it went. I mean, putting this back together is going to be a bit of guesswork when it comes to putting all the fixtures and fittings back on. I'm going to have to, what I'll have to do is measure. All I'll have to do is take measurements, take some measurements across here, cross here, make a template. Yeah, that's what I'll have to do. I'll have to make a template so that I can put the new, so I can put the catches and everything else back where the originals were. So some paper templates to make there, and we've also got to do it for the back here as well, for the 2 inches at the back, which is not a problem really. It's just a couple of A4 sheets of paper with the holes at the right place, and that's it. Just cut the paper to the right length, the right diameter, and then I can put the holes at the right place in the veneer, and that way I won't make a hash of it, hopefully. Anyway, folks, next time you see it, you'll see the cabinet completed apart from the fixtures, or whatever fixtures turn up. And I've just noticed something on the edge here. I don't know whether I need to address that. That little bit there. Don't know whether I need to address that, but we'll look at that a bit later. because I've got to go to work later, and to be honest folks, I'm a bit tired. I want to go and have a sleep before I go to work. Anyway, I'm pretty pleased with that, and I'm certainly pleased with the way that's blended in. I mean, you know, I wasn't going to re-veneer this, and I was hoping I was going to get away with it, but given the top, the veneer was hard to get off the top, and I had to use a chisel to get it off, and it gouged it in places. So I'm hoping, so basically I've got this as flat as I'm ever going to get it, as smooth as I'm ever going to get it, and new veneer will go on, and hopefully it'll look the dog's bollocks, or is it the bog's dollocks, or the mutt's guts, or the mutt's nuts. You get the idea. Thanks for watching folks, and more to come later. Bye for now.